MeghalayaPost.news.
Kum menungilam kaliang persya leader of opposition po kasukan jila Dr. Mukul Shiteng din kemit por arm JA ulah Sangeh Nongpoh kabde din maulalab bagi pulit kari Bhoi hagajing lam senior superintendent of police lembat Heh Pulit officer kidang talasi kali giba pengkhen any hakan dik surba bagi perking ba na kijingja aksiden beman kepor belajuan ra ya kijingja basusi kanir jing lam Dr. Mukul katengku hakapor barang don langru baru Heh Pulit officer kibrang pendep ya laki kamram mentek lakam ya kita bar kiba buan kiba penherstet bat kiba ombud ya kendon an nya gali hakane ke jinglap Dr. Mukul ya kibor pulit bakidang pendep ila kamra mulai ke Ïaroh ya ki pulit kari Bhoi kibla simkhia bante lakam berlapan pauru ya ke jing sukhia lor ke jingja basusi kibla juja hakane ke sorba national highway 6 hari Bhoi babun ki mensim ba koridor kila du no ila ke jingim shushu ulah keliru ispang ke jing petrikam ya ke terma center hari Bhoi na USP kari Bhoi berlapan pauru baun sawan hiar syari Bhoi hakabau lapan pau ya kejing sukhia lor kejing klat kisawut hatarang baru arwut kinungnya akali sarkar na nots goro hills dangshen kabala jaham sanu krai kibadai tang na kadau kejing don kidai bar kibabuai
committee.
Yes, sir.
This is the chairman.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You are SP.
yes, sir.
So you are secretary,
Sir,
Of
yes,
the
sir.
committee.
Member, sir.
member.
Sir,
Look at the notification of the Honorable Supreme Court.
sir, sir.
Go by that committee.
Yes, sir.
I will come and have a program.
Sir, sure, sir.
Let us have a review
Sir, sir, sir.
on road safety because day before yesterday there was an incident. Also earlier,
Sir,
what I am told is that the injured are shifted to Shillong Civil Hospital.
not this
Trauma,
one, sir.
trauma.
Thadrang one, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, trauma center.
Yes, sir.
Ideally, trauma center, which is nearest,
Sir,
must be the destination
sir, sir.
to save life.
Yes, sir.
So this is a matter of concern, and I'm happy that you are doing the checking.
Sir, sir. Yes, sir.
And then I think daytime that overloading truck,
Sir. Yes, sir.
highly overloaded.
Sir.
Your those which is probably transporting your aggregates.
Yes, sir.
Those are
Clinkers and all.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Anyway, all the best.
That day, sir, we sent to Shillong, sir, because from Thadrang, Shillong was the nearest hospital, sir. So we sent one to Nazareth, one to Supercare, one to Civil. Because coming to Nongpoh, sir, Shillong is like nearer to us, sir. From that
From
side,
there,
sir,
from
it
there.
was from Vaidimong side, sir.
That
one side.
incident of Sunday,
Yes, sir, that 4 persons died, sir. Yes, sir.
the garbage one.
That one was here, sir, P9.
So this
Two
near-
drivers died, sir, and
This
one
is-
injured was brought here, sir, civil hospital, sir.
No, I
Nilkash,
talked to some of your media friends.
sir,
This version I got from them
sir.
that some of the injured were shifted to Shillong.
That was the previous day, sir. This to sir, Nilkash Moment, he's from Kharkota, sir. He was brought to civil hospital, sir. We got
Okay,
there.
let us collectively do something.
Yes, yes.
MeghalayaPost.news.